marketing assets. Here are the steps to create a story video using your testimonials. To begin, click on Dashboard. Click on Request. Enter your customer's email and click Send Request. After that, you can manage, analyze, and leverage your testimonials. To share your link with customers, click on Share Link. You have two options, WhatsApp or email. Select WhatsApp. Click on Preview to see how the message will appear to your customers. Then click on Close to dismiss the modal. Once you have received testimonials from your clients, click on Create Story Video. Click on Select to choose the testimonials you want. Then click on Continue with Moments. Next, click on Use AI Ordering. Click on Continue to Configuration. Click on Start Processing, then Accept. Finally, click on Finalize, and to wrap things up, click on Save.